Welcome back, guys. So for today's video, well, first thing I'm gonna explain you why I have this filter right there. See that? Yep. So I guess I have this filter because, let me see if you guys are gonna be able to see, there is some white crystals. You guys maybe be able to see it right there or on the bottom, but yeah, there you go. Yes, should be able to see them right there. So this is how I bought this vehicle. I did flush the system a couple times, and you know, honestly, no matter what I do, I'm still getting the same exact result, which you guys see it, I still have the filter. I have this vehicle, I believe, more than a year now, and you know, I was thinking that, you know, driving it with the filter, it will filtrate the system and everything's gonna be good, but no. So yeah, I don't know, go figure. And today when I was coming home from work, on top of that filter thing, well, my radiator, I guess it got a crack or something, but now it started leaking, and yeah, fun. So for today is, well, I'm gonna remove my fan and everything that I need to be able to get to my radiator, because it seems like my radiator is cracked somewhere, and it's on the bottom right, looks like it, because I was underneath and I was looking, and yeah, that's my only solution. I'm thinking, you know, I need a new radiator. So yay, I was hoping, you know, to wait for the summer maybe and remove probably my front bumper and everything, remove the radiator, remove my thermostat, remove my water pump, so I can do a full cleanup and full flush of the system. But apparently, you know, we'll see how deep we're gonna get, and you know, how much further we can get, because I kind of do need this vehicle, because right now basically I'm gonna be stuck with one, you know, between me and my wife, and yeah, that's not fun, you know, especially here. You guys need to have a vehicle to move around, because there's nothing, you know, close by in a walking distance, especially right now in the winter in Seattle. Well, let's say that the weather is not sunny like in Florida. But yeah, so that being said, let's get our hands dirty and let's start removing some of this top stuff and figure out how we're gonna. I need to remove first the fan to be able to access the radiator. It looks pretty simple, but I don't know, I'm gonna find out. So let's do this. Okay guys, well, let me show you. That was actually pretty easy. I wouldn't expect to be that easy, but to be able to remove it fully, I need to disconnect my cooling house, and right now I just want to test and see where exactly the hole is, and let me show you what actually I can see. You guys see right there, and then you guys see on the bottom, right, like way down there. You guys see how the bottom of the fan is wet, and right on the right side is wet as well. So yeah, I need to start my engine somehow without my fan. So let me see what I can do, guys, and see, so I can be able to see from where it's leaking, because right now you guys can see right there, this is all dripping. When I was testing it, you know, remove all of the pants on the bottom, the underbelly pants, and start the vehicle, and it started dripping right between the fan and the radiator. So let me see if I'm gonna be able to do the same thing right now. So we're gonna be able to see it, but yeah, let's see if we're gonna be able to do it. Here you go, guys. It's you can't really see it, but it looks like it's between the plastic and the radiator. That's what I'm thinking, like the actual connection. So if you guys see what I'm talking about, it's, yeah, see how we have aluminum here and then plastic, and then this is where the hose is being connected. So somewhere, you know, between this and this plastic connection, somewhere down the line, it's, I don't know, it's either the way how this thing is made or because of those crystals, yeah, but somewhere around there it's leaking. So yeah, pretty fun. So in this case, I have no other option but to drain my coolant and then, you know, remove everything, and then I'll see if I'm gonna be able to flush my system as well. I don't know how easy it's going to be. I guess we're gonna figure out when we remove the fan and when we remove the radiator, see how much space we have, if it's enough. Then you know, if it's not that bad, I'll, you know, probably remove my thermostat as well, because I really want to clean my system, you know, because of those crystals. And to be able to do that, looks like, you know, a clean, you know, really a flush doesn't really work. So yeah buddy, so it's gonna be pretty fun. Kind of speechless, but yeah. So this is going to be for this video, guys. I'm gonna cut it kind of short. Yeah, I'm gonna need to go and order the part, and I'm gonna tell you guys, you know, in the next video from where I'm getting the part, how much that part is gonna cost, and we're gonna go from there. I'm hoping it's gonna be around 200 bucks, and that's about it. You know, 200 bucks for a brand new radiator. It seems, you know, not bad. I don't know what you guys are thinking. If you put, you know, your comments down below if you guys are thinking that's too much, or it's gonna be cheaper, or yeah, I don't know. I guess we're gonna find out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, you know. And if you guys are not subscribers to this channel, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.